Are you looking for the best electric bikes under $1,000? In this video we will look at some of the best electric bikes under $1,000 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. SWAGTRON Swagcycle EB5 Plus. Featuring a bold design and a reliable performance, the Swagcycle EB5 Plus is doubtlessly one of the best electric bikes currently in the market. Its premium build features aluminium in the frame as well as the clipper brakes. The EB5 Plus has a unique, eye-catching design. It is streamlined and aerodynamic. Its elegant, simplistic design may appear too subtle for performance. Nothing could be further from the truth. It can manage top speeds of up to 15.5 on a single charge and effortlessly handle 30-degree inclines and steep hills. The bike's seat and handlebars are height adjustable, which means lots of comfort and ergonomics. You simply choose the height that fits your needs. Unlike most other mountain bikes in the market, this best electric bike under $1,000 has much smaller 14-inch pneumatic tires that deliver smooth and stable rides even on paved grounds. Number 2. Nacta 26 inches 250 watts cargo electric bicycle. This high-quality bike is unique in having a cargo basket ideal for short shopping errands around the neighborhood. NAKTO cargo electric bicycle adopts a high-strength carbon steel frame and front fork, packed with premium ergonomic and comfort shock absorption. The bike is engineered with a front V-brake and a rear expansion brake that will bring the bike to a halt smoothly or instantly just the way you want it. It means you will have full confidence and control of the bike regardless of terrain and cruising speed. Cargo e-bike is fitted with a 6-speed transmission system, allowing you to choose the speed you desire. The transmission and the brake-in systems will give you full protection and offer you the versatility to ride as you please. Furthermore, it has a bright LED headlamp and horn for safe night rides. Number 3. eAhora XC 126 inches electric bike. Another best electricity-powered bike you can obtain on a tight budget is the eAhora XC 126-inch electric bike. It has the power and performance comparable only to those of famous brands currently in the market. Such top performance is delivered by the bike's 350-watt brushless motor powered by a removable 48 volts 12-hour lithium battery. The motor and an innovative, intelligent controller are connected via an eAhora electric pedal-assisted system. The system effectively increases the cruising range at the same power and speed. Furthermore, the combined system energy saving offers you optimal control, effectively extending the life of your bike. Unlike other low-quality bikes that are noisy, the XC100 features a mute function designed to reduce noise as you ride and is handy for outdoor exercise and commuting effectively. Number 4. Ecotric 20 inches powerful 500 watts folding electric bicycle. This powerful fat tire bike is worth every penny you will spend on it if you decide to buy it. The 20-inch by 4.0-inch tire is suitable for all terrains with inner tubes that measure 20 inches by 4.0-4.9. The wheels are anti-skidding, adaptive to snow, sand as well as other difficult topographies. The tires are stopped by reliable front and rear disc brakes. You won't risk your safety even when you are cruising downhill because you will stop safely and progressively. The frame and fork are made of high-quality aluminium. The material is strong enough to carry a maximum load of 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. 20 miles per hour is the bike's speed limit on an electric mode when traveling on a flat road. This is only possible when the rider's weight is below 132 pounds, and the bike is working on full throttle. The motor system delivers 500 watts powered by